So this part is for EU citizens, and this other part is for non-EU, which is international students. So there's one form I want us to look at, which is under the admissions guide. So you are going to download the declaration form from this admission guide here, and you're going to fill out the form and keep it. You will need it later in course of this application. So I've downloaded the form. Over here you can see my payment of €150, my university degree and transcript, and the declaration form. This declaration form, you need to fill it out, sign it, and put it ready. Get it ready for uploading before we start the application process. So let's move on to, okay, so this is my transcript here and my degree certificate, which has been notarized at Ministry of Foreign Affairs and translated at the Portuguese consulate. So let's get on with the admission application process. So over here you see the program, and then you start filling out the forms. You click on apply now, and then you put in your full name. You type in your full name there, your date of birth. I have to write down some information because like this is not the real thing, but I've done for a lot of people, but I can't put out the information to public. So this is just a sample of how to get on with it. So you fill in your gender, your email address, your current house address, your city, and your nationality. If you're Nigerian, if you're from Ghana, okay, and then your city where you are. So in this part, for me, I'm using degree, which is higher education, but you can also use your WAEC. But for me, I'm using my degree and transcript for this application. So you move to the next part, where you are going to upload your identification document as your passport, your passport expiry dates, and your passport start date, which is all in your bio page of your international passport. And then you also put in your passport number in this part of the page. So you put in all the information there, and then we move on to the next part, which will be to upload the documents that you have already put together. So let me copy in the passport number. Alright, so in the first part you need to upload your international passport. So remember, you're going to also translate your international passport, so you update the translated and the original one, which is in English. You just match the two documents together. And then the next one is your certificate, which is your degree certificate and transcript matched together, translated to Portuguese, just the Portuguese version, not the English. And then your declaration form, that one should be in English. So over here you select 3 schools and the courses you would like to study. Okay, so it's like 3 different schools. The first one can be in one city, the second one can be in another city. So for the first one I chose tourism management. For the second school I chose hospitality operations management. And for the third one I found one course that's tourism management. Okay, I can just change the school to somewhere else and just choose something here. So you just make your choice here depending on what you want. Now, why you have to choose different schools and different courses is in case you don't do well in the interview, at least they can say, okay, based on your enthusiasm and your whatever, they can put you in this branch, you understand, in this school, at this side, where they'll be able to support and guide you. So in everything, that's it. Success, finish. Now when you have finished this, don't forget that you need to make payment of €150. This is the account details over here. You also find that in your profile. You also see that in your profile.